Problem 7.6. One boat tows another boat by means of a tow line, which is under a constant tension of 500 newtons. The boats move at a constant speed of 5 meters per second. How much work is done by the tension in 1 minute? Okay, so let me do a free body diagram for the boats and just make an overall picture first of all. So this is boat A and this is boat B, let's say, and let's say that they're both moving in this direction and that there is a line connecting the two boats. And so A is towing B, and if I do a free body diagram for B, it would look something like this. This is the free body diagram for B. So basically it would be m sub B times G, that's the weight of B in other words, and then there's going to be, this is a new force for you, this is the buoyant force of the water, F sub B. That's something we talk about in Physics 122, Archimedes' principle, etc. And then there's the force of the tension this way, T. And it's going at constant velocity, and so there's a water resistance force. I'll just call it WR in that direction. And my picture isn't very good. Let me fix it. I want these vectors to be the same length. Otherwise, it'd have acceleration in one of those directions. So there we go, like that. Okay, so I'm interested in finding the work done by that force. Work done by that force, by T. And so the tension is to the left the way I've drawn this picture, and the displacement is also to the left. And so they are parallel to each other. Theta is equal to 0, and I've got a positive work situation. First of all, let's calculate what the delta x is. Delta x is going to be equal to the boat is moving at 5 meters per second for a period of 1 minute at 60 seconds. And so the delta x is 300 meters. And then the work done is going to be T times delta x times the cosine of theta, which is going to be T times delta x times the cosine of 0 degrees, which is 1. So let's put the value for T in. The value for T is 500 newtons. And the value of x that I just calculated is 300 meters. So recall that a Newton meter is a joule, so I'm going to get joules for my units. And that is 15 with 4 zeros. 3 times 5 is 15 with 4 zeros. And so that's going to be 1.5, putting in scientific notation, times 10 to the 5th joules.